Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're going to an apartment today and we're gonna take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Let's see what we find. Filipino guy?
They use washing machine or dish dryer because I take out something like fabric from black tea.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it smells like fabric.
Oh, that's no good. You're not supposed to be using that. Right?
I'm not here. I leave work and I came back after this one and it's blocked up still.
Yeah. Well, give me, like I say, 10 minutes and I'll be out of here.
Yeah. Yeah.
How's it going?
Hey, buddy. I saw the vehicle downstairs. I wasn't sure it was for this.
Yeah.
So what did they tell you?
I don't know, they told me the drain's plugged. What'd they tell you?
I'm fucking up, but I thought it was just a sink. So I pulled it out in the whole thing.
Well, let's see.
And I don't have a snake, so that's what I was downstairs for.
Yeah.
Give me my wrench. You don't need that guy.
I don't need your wrench.
Well, actually, you don't even need it here.
I don't need you here? I do need you here. Do you want to go next door? What's here, 706?
Sure be
Get them to turn their hot water on. Tell them to leave it on for half an hour. Or tell them to leave it on for like 10 minutes.
Okay.
Right. You can hear the water running. Now we're going to pull it back.
that's all she wrote for that one. I'm coupling this back together. Do it this side. Tighten it up.
Holy shit, you scared
Hey,
the
I'm here.
shit out of me.
Sorry.
Oh.
You went too deep, so I didn't want to bother you.
Okay, everything's good. Alright guys, there you go. We snaked it out. Everything's looking good. It's draining good. Till next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Taragna.